nice and steady because there's a lot of tree stumps here. Right, now put it in second. Put it in second.
We're going to reverse in a minute, I think.
It's quite deep here, love. Take it in second, see if you can swing it around. Okay, you're not going to be able to
No, I
swing
knew we
that.
wouldn't be able to.
But you're in very deep mud now, love. Okay? Okay. That's good. Okay, don't worry. Okay.
The handbrake's off, isn't it? Yeah.
Second.
In second.
Put it in second, then. Right, you've got to give it a bit of welly, love. Okay, back up a bit, love. Back up a bit. Right, now go for it. That's it. Go on, go on, go on. Go on, go on. Dial him in, dial him in. Good girl. Right, do you want to try that again without me in the vehicle?
No!